What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good. Where do you want to go?
Remember last time when we almost froze onto a water pipe because it was so cold?
We did that a couple of times, yeah.
Not there. I'm thinking... Do you happen to know Slovenian?
No. You know, judging by the state of this place,
yeah.
I think it says it's not open.
No. We might have to whip up the Google Translate and...
If someone sees us...
So here's the thing. Gas prices are insane in Austria right now, and in Slovenia they're extremely low. So now we're gonna have to, like, we're headed down to the beach. So we thought we might as well pick up some cheap gas, but neither of us can speak Slovenian, so yeah. I guess that's just not happening.
It's closed.
We're trying to head up back to the highway, but I have no idea where we are. Like,
this feels absolutely weird driving here.
Yeah, no, because it just doesn't make any sense.
We need some umba.
We were so close. Hey, I know why the gas station didn't work. Oil pumps out of order. Dude, what is this place? Did you hit something?
Yeah. I don't see no
Is
lock.
it okay? Hi, so you want to tell me that it took us 20 minutes to go from this gas station to here?
I think it was more than 20 minutes.
We literally drove like 20 minutes through the, like, nowhere. And now we're back at the same place we were, but like 10 meters. Well, more than 10 meters, but like on the other side of the parking lot. But does it have English?
It's got German.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, German.
Sick. We might get to our destination after all. So we have officially arrived at our destination. The question now is going to be, we're trying to head up the coastline, and I don't know, do you know where we have to go?
No, I know where we are, but in terms of like coastline, I'm pretty lost.
I guess we're just gonna have a little hike.
I guess we're just
That's fun, actually. Let's just go hike a freaking. It's not a mountain. It's just like a cliff, dude.
7,200.
I swear you can kill someone with this.
You can't live without 70. I mean, if you put the hood on.
Dude,
look how
this
huge
thing's a
this thing is.
freaking monster. Would you look at that? That looks awesome.
Dude, this is insane.
Hey. And I just read this quote recently that said, in photography you don't ask for permission, you ask for forgiveness, and
just do it.
That's just kind of like what we're doing right now. So I just almost killed my pretty much $2,500 camera because look, this camera strap, you gotta put it through this thing and then like fix it so it like stays in there, and I forgot about doing this, so it almost fell down the rocks.
You just almost lost.
Yeah.
Just almost lost.
Yeah, like 5 minutes
camera.
ago we were talking about how we're running around with like so much equipment and it's like so expensive, and then that happens. So change of plans. Originally we were gonna head down this direction because there's like a beach that looked pretty cool, but we discovered on Google Maps that there's like a better one with like an actual view on top, so we decided to head this way. But so we're gonna have to walk back all the meters that we made already.
I don't mind because like the weather is perfect. It's
That's true.
Not hot, it's not too cold, it's like just right.
Yeah,
so I really don't mind walking.
That's cool. At least it's not like July and it's like 100 degrees Fahrenheit. What is that, like 40 degrees?
I think
Yeah,
so.
I think it's, oh god, imagine. Yeah. Feels like 10 hours into this hike, nothing but incline and rough conditions. Food is getting short.
Are you kidding me? It's been 5 minutes.
Really? Moon Bay, getting closer.
Oh.
This way. Never mind, this is like a garage. This is like a driveway. Never mind. Oh my goodness, look at that. Looks awesome. This is insane. Did you get a good shot?
Dude, this polarizer is just like changing everything.
Holy! I'm currently taking a thumbnail. Behind the scenes. Now, I don't think this is a good idea, but no, this is not a good idea.
Dude, don't fall. Wait, good job.
Alright, just didn't want to do it in front of children, you know, because it could be dangerous. So this stunt is done by professionals.
Professionals only.
How do I get up?
Dude, what are you are you insane?
No, this is not a good
No,
idea.
that's not get off. No.
Hold on.
Jesus.
Alright, give me the camera. Was it worth it?
Dude, I would do it again.
Yeah.
It's insane.
That's what I thought.
Seriously, dude, don't ever do that again. Honestly. I'm for real.
So we've been here for like an hour now, just taking photos, but like every photo you take just looks amazing. Like we tried all the different focal lengths, and like we even took videos on the freaking phone. Now I think the only thing that's left to do is put up the drone. What do you think?
I agree. We have to.
Big question. Remember when we were driving all these like torn down buildings and stuff?
Yeah, just across the border.
Do you believe that's like an hour from here? It's like the same country, just a whole different.
Dude, it's insane.
Like that's two different worlds right there. Here.
I wouldn't believe if you show me pictures of this and the gas station we went to. This
The
is the
freaking
same
gas
place,
station.
like the same country.
Are you sure about this?
I think I'll hold it, but this is just.
It's a little sketchy, but if he gets the job done, I guess it works.
Oh!
So I was about to fly the drone, but then I figured I don't have the app downloaded. It's literally half a gigabyte. Hey, I'm about to download a 497 megabyte app on mobile data.
I mean, anything for the vlog, right?
I guess. But that still hurts though. Alright, so we got the app downloaded after like 20 minutes. Now again, if you watch my videos, you know I am calibrating the compass a little differently. You could just spin the drone, but
I know.
overrated.
It's your trademark.
Oh my god. Please don't hit a rock. Off we go! We're crashing. We're crashing.
She's going down, boys.
Shit.
She's going down.
No! Just kidding, it's just a remote controller warning. Full drone mission. All that's left to do is I think when we head back up, let's put the 50mm on.
Yeah, we gotta take some more pictures when we go back up, and then I think you know what would be a really good idea?
What?
What do you think of food?
Now the last mission of the day, get back up there without breaking anything.
We'll do it.
Equipment or bones.
Good point.
Preferably bones.
Preferably both.
Trying to get back to our car for like 20 minutes now. Every time we look back, we just need to stop and take a photo.
It's so amazing.
No matter what you do, don't look back, because we're gonna be stuck another 30 minutes.
Okay.
Oh my god, look! Also, watch our car being towed away because we're 10 minutes too late for the ticket.
No, it's fine. We're perfectly in time.
Are we?
If we make it there in 10 minutes, everything's fine. Everything's good.
Okay, isn't it like a 20-minute walk?
We'll make it.
Shit. Right, ready to hit the road?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go! This is it. We have pretty much completed a successful trip.
Honestly, it was, I think, for now, like in terms of weather and just like the experience, I think it was one of the best we had.
Yeah,
so
for
far.
sure. Like, if we just compare this to our chaos disaster freaking Austria and like a mountain, I don't even know what to call that place.
Dude,
honestly.
it was like the mount. It was nice in terms of scenery, but like it was cold.
Cold, yeah.
We didn't know where we were.
not that
like,
spectacular.
That's
like
true.
the landscapes. Just
Like today was just like
yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. You know what to do.